We're glad you've joined us for another episode of Cooking with the Community. I'm your host, Danielle Hagler, Nelson County Cooperative Extension Agent for 4-H Youth Development. Today, we're going to be visiting with AJ Lewis from the Nelson County Sheriff's Department. I'm excited. AJ's going to share a tip to you guys what his favorite cereal is. He's going to be making a Crunch Munch mix that you can take with you on the go. Stay tuned also for our health tips, our ag facts, and information about our community agencies that provide assistance to families in need.
Hello. Yes, I'm a piece of bread. This is Terry from the Nelson County Extension Office, reminding you to eat lots of whole grains. They're great for your body. You can get them in your whole grain bread, your whole grain cereals, and your whole grain pastas like macaroni and spaghetti. So try to eat whole grains when you can.
Hey everyone, Deputy AJ Lewis here. I'm a deputy with the Nelson County Sheriff's Department, and today we're cooking with the community. Make a very easy, simple snack today. It's good for those people on the go if you just want to throw up something and eat around, sitting around the house or whatever. It's called Crunch Munch Snack Mix, and it's real simple to make. Only thing you pretty much need is the ingredients, an airtight container, and you can get the ingredients from your local grocery store here in Nelson County. First off, we have some mini shredded wheats. These are the frosted strawberries. Love these. I grew up on these. Really good. You're gonna need some nuts. I chose almonds today. Love almonds. Some type of raisins, cranberries, blueberries, anything like that. I chose raisins today because they're, like I said, I love those. Easy snack. And some mini pretzels. Mini pretzels to throw in there. And with all that, you're just going to combine all those ingredients together. So first thing you're going to need is your airtight container. And before we start, I just want to let you all know I did wash my hands for 20 seconds. And I did clean off the surface where we was prepping our ingredients. Now, all of my items that I have ready, I already went ahead and pre-made just because it's that easy, it's that simple. So what you want to do is go ahead and get your airtight container, like so. I have a little airtight container. And you're going to add 2 cups of mini shredded wheat. Smell the strawberries, it smells really good. And then you can choose your dried fruit. I chose raisins. Like I said, you can try raisins, blueberries, cranberries, apricots, anything like that. So I'm gonna just throw that in there like that. Some nuts. I chose some raw almonds. Love raw almonds. They're really good. And you can choose whatever you want. Pumpkin seeds, walnuts. Just something to throw in there just for the go. Pour those in there like that. And your mini pretzels. Oop, lost one there. So what we're gonna do is basically put those in a airtight container and like so, and you're gonna mix it up. Once you mix it up, you can go ahead and put the lid on. And like I said, if you got to go somewhere or you got to go to work or something like that, you're pretty much on the go. And here's the ending results. So, like I said, it looks good. Really good. Always, like I said, good on the go. Especially for me, I work 10 hours a day. I'm riding around in 400 plus square miles in Nelson County. And I never get time to eat sometimes. So this is something good to get to take with you. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching this simple recipe. Be sure to check out the other leaders here in Nelson County, their recipes. Also, thank you, Nelson County, for letting me be a part of this. Thank you all. Take care.
Hi there, my name is Nicole Howard and I'm one of the 4-H agents here in Nelson County, and I want to be giving you some ag facts. And today my ag fact is the definition of agriculture. So agriculture is defined as the science or practice of farming, and that includes cultivating the soil in order to grow crops, And it also includes the rearing of animals for products like food, wool, and other products.
Hi, I'm Claudia Anderson. I'm the manager of the Bread for Life Community Food Pantry. We're right here in Bardstown, and we serve the needs of anyone in the Nelson County who has a food need. We also accept donations of food and monetary donations, and we're also in need of volunteers. So if you can help us out, please give us a call. Our telephone number is 502-348-7270. Thanks so much.